Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, everybody loves Montepulciano, right? Everybody loves it. But it can be quite expensive. I mean, the property prices are really high up there. And in the area, some of the more popular towns around it, Pienza and that kind of thing, high prices, high grocery prices, lines at the grocery store, limited parking, renovations will cost you a lot. But if you go out to some of the little hill towns around the area, you're going to find that the prices are really not that high and you can get stuff done really quickly. Of course, we talked about Torrita di Siena, which is absolutely gorgeous and we just love it here. We're in the dog park right now. There's a beautiful dog park and Gigi's loving it. But there's a whole bunch of little towns all around the area. We're going to be looking at them all and giving you an idea. And I have a surprise coming up about an agent that it looks like we're going to be working with, who we vetted and we love. So stay tuned, guys.